welcome to Hank's Records, where we unbox and we talk about anything that revolves around music or records, CDs, and all that type of stuff. I have a package that came in today. Two actually. I had two that came in today, earlier today. One of them I did have to unbox just to ensure that it was in good condition. And it is, for the most part. There's a little bit of scuffing on the sleeve itself, but no big deal. I checked the record and it's fine, but you're gonna get my second reaction out of unboxing it, okay? So the box, it came in a box, an outer box, and then an inner box. This is the inner box. I wonder what it could be. Okay, got this. Da-da-dum. The Wiggles, yummy yummy. This is actually the original from '94. So why don't we unbox this together? This is a limited edition, as you can see here. I got the number 14 in red vinyl. Here's the front, and here is the back. Right, let's unbox it. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so you do get this sleeve that goes right by the spine of the record. Get this going. Okay, let's see the spine. Okay, yeah, the spine just says The Wiggles, yummy yummy. Okay, and here is the full cover itself. Woohoo! And here we go with the back. My favorite songs on here are Willaby Wallaby Woo, Fea Do Do, that's what it's called, The Monkey Dance, Ponies, D-O-R-O-T-H-Y, My Favorite Dinosaur, Shake Your Sillies Out, Numbers Rumba, Crunchy Munchy Honey Cakes. I remember listening to that. Yeah, I mean, it is a well put together children's album, and now to have it, you know, for my collection, that's, you know, a huge achievement. Here is the protective sleeve. It does have plastic, an inner plastic sleeve to help keep the record in better shape. Ooh, look at that red. Okay, so here is side A. It goes from Hot Potato down to Monkey Dance. And here is side B. There we go. I love this. This is awesome. I'm glad to have it in my record collection. Hopefully the Wiggles can also release Toot Toot on vinyl, because that was another one of my favorites growing up with them. I think owning this album and Toot Toot brings back a lot of memories, and, you know, maybe I'll play this for my kids one day, you know, if that ever becomes a chance in reality. But yeah, yummy yummy, yeah!